had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? Slip-ups and mistakes, and I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises.
That snow was very crazy. It was disastrous. It was dangerous. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Twinklecooks. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm happy to have you on another video. Go ahead and hit the notification bell so you miss out on any of my uploads. Guys, yesterday I went to work because I did a night shift. I went to work and Mr. Orijiba sent me a message. It was announced actually that there will be snowstorm, but I think it was the previous day. I didn't quite get the announcement. I don't know. I didn't check the news. So Mr. Orijiba sent me a message while I was at work, and he told me, babe, there will be snowstorm tomorrow morning. Please, you have to be very, very careful. I was like, no problem. So when work closed and I came outside, guys, you needed to see this snow. It was very dangerous. Honestly, I was even scared. Let me tell you guys what happened. When I came outside, I saw the car. I couldn't even see the handle because it was covered. Everything was covered. I managed to open the door, and I wasn't dressed properly. I wasn't wearing snow pants. I wasn't wearing snow boots. So it was so freezing. I think I had my glove on and then my jacket, but guys, it was so freezing. I remember when I opened the door and I saw the car, I ran back. I was like, why am I running back? Am I running back for Mr. Orijiba to come and do what? You know where you are. He cannot come here, so better go and face your fears. Better go and know what to do. So I had to go, managed to open the trunk, and I brought out the is this snow plow or snow, which one do you call it, snow shovel? I managed to get it out, and I cleared just here, because the snow plow trucks, they usually clear just the driveway and also the main road. They don't go close to cars and all that. So I had to manage to just shovel out the entrance so I can even enter the car somehow, anyhow. I don't think we've had that kind of snow before ever since I arrived in Canada. I don't think we have, because no, this one was very, very crazy. Anyways, that's by the way. I hope you guys are doing well. It's still safe to say Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. This is still January, so we still say Happy New Year. How is the year going so far for you, where you are? For me, this year has been so beautiful. Like, I don't know, I'm expecting a lot to happen this year. You guys remember the shirt I showed you in my last vlog? What color was that? Is that lilac? Yeah, I showed you guys in my last vlog. And I think I posted a picture on Instagram already. I haven't posted a picture, but before this vlog goes up, I'm sure I must have posted the picture still. But I posted a reel already, so this is the picture right here. So Mr. Orijiba went and bought me more colors of that shirt, but this one is not from Zara, because I think Zara it was sold out. So he got me this one. I love the color. He went and charted all the colors for me. From this one, he got it from Urban Planet. It's just exactly like that one that I wore, but this one's this is leather. I wanted to make a post and ask you guys what you would like to see on my channel this year so that we can make things different. But funny enough, I don't even know I don't even know exactly what to post to make changes. So I just want to know from you guys. Maybe I'll make a post or something. You guys can just tell me what you would really like me to do or stop doing, you know, just things to incorporate and make our channel for, because this channel is for both of us guys, all the subscribers. We own this channel together, so we need to know what to make this year, like what to use and improve our channel. However, okay guys, I wanted to go out today. I think I've been talking for a long time. I wanted to go out today and do my brows, just thread my brows, you know, make it look a little bit good. I usually do it myself, but I just want to get someone to do it. And this place I'm going, I haven't gone there. That's where I normally make my nails. I haven't gone for them to make my brows, but the last time I did my nails there, I saw a lady that walked in and they did her brows, and I saw the changes. It was very pretty, very, very beautiful. So I wanted to try them. I don't have much eyebrows, so you have to be careful not to clear everything. This Asian ladies, it can be so funny. She refused that I bring out my phone to film myself. I don't know if she thinks I want to collect her job or something. I think the mistake I made was telling her that I'm recording. I would have just used my phone as if I'm using it as my mirror. I don't even understand. You see the way she said no, you can't film, and she had to go tell her boss. Her boss said no. I was like, you guys, I don't even want trouble. So I just finished doing the my brows. She actually waxed it, and I bet you guys can see the difference, but I like it. It looks so natural. She didn't, because I don't even have brows, so she just cleaned it up a little bit. She didn't take out anything. Don't take out what I don't have. So this is how it looks. I like how natural it looks, you know, just little trimming here and there. So I want to quickly get to the African store and get ofaku concentrate. I'm making ofaku. Hope you already said please. I should please make ofaku. It's been a long time we had ofaku. So that's what we'll be eating tomorrow. And I'll also buy catfish for catfish barbecue this night. Like grilled catfish, not barbecue. Grilled catfish. Is it barbecue? Grilled catfish. I'll do that with my oven. You know, point and kill. You know, now Lagos style. That's what I want to do now. It started snowing. I honestly didn't know it was going to snow before coming out again. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's snowing. Let me try and show you guys. I better start going before it piles up and it will be a problem for me. Honestly, these days I'm scared of snow.
Finally don't get no fuss. Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while. Haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Be in the moment with me. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
Too old to put on a show. Now I found a home. I'm filling my soul up with devotion and stardust. I'm bold, got it all in control. Now I know what I want, like a natural woman. You know I'm not a girl anymore. And I'm not going anywhere. I got a good guy. He's blessed with ease and care, swaying, obeying me till I get there. I got a good guy, feeling more than right in his care. You know I need you, I need him every day. Now I'm confessing, I need his caressing. In the real world, I don't want no one independent, but we're living a fantasy. Now I'm craving him desperately, and I'm not going anywhere. I got a good guy. He's blessed with ease and care, swaying, obeying me till I get there. I got a good guy.
Today is so beautiful, the weather. Meanwhile, today is Wednesday. Last time I talked to you guys was on Saturday. Was it on Sunday? It was on Saturday. And it's been snowing since Saturday, honestly, non-stop. Snow that I don't know if someone offended the snow. But honestly, it's been snowing every day since that last time I talked to you guys. So today we have the sun. It's just a very beautiful weather. I haven't gone outside, but I know it's very beautiful, and you guys can even see the sun from here. And I don't think there's any sign of snow, even though Canada weather can be bipolar, so you can never tell what will happen the next minute. But what I'm seeing now is a very beautiful weather. I'm trying to sort out the kids' clothes. Jeremy has outgrown all his clothes, Jason as well. But the good thing is that when Jason outgrows his clothes, Jeremy will definitely benefit. But this one, Jeremy has outgrown almost everything. I'm trying to sort them out and take it to the thrift store. Like, I wish Nigeria is close by, just close by, very very close, where I can just put this in a bus and send it down, because I know a lot of people will benefit from it. I haven't figured out how to ship things down to Nigeria, or maybe because I haven't really asked, but we haven't shipped things down to Nigeria since we came here. So until I figure that out, for now I'll still be taking it to the thrift store. Like, most of these clothes, they still have their labels. Most of them, they still got label on them. Since pandemic, we haven't really been going out like that. They haven't been going out like that. And Jeremy also has been at home since this whole COVID thing. He's been at home. He's not going back to daycare anytime soon. Rather, he's turning 4 years February. His birthday is almost here. He's turning 4 years this February, so officially he'll be starting school this September. Look at this cloth now. This cloth has label. He hasn't worn it and he has outgrown it. You can imagine. Sometimes I even forget they have all those clothes. Now I'm just seeing this one. He never wore this for once. Now he's going to the thrift store. So many of them. Look at this one as well. This one, I'm not sure he wore this. This is 24 months, so 2 years he has outgrown it. Most of all the clothes here, they still look brand new, like brand new. These are clothes they either wore it once or they didn't even wear it at all. Like, I'm even looking at all of them. I don't even remember they have all these clothes. So I just wish I have a way of sending this back home. I'm definitely going to still figure it out and start making use of it, honestly, because I know a lot of people will benefit from this. Some people can even resell it because most of these clothes, they barely wore it. Anyways, let me quickly do this, sort these things out, and I'll see you guys by the time I'm ready to go.
just and my mother is probably quote 12 in right order. Talk about me.
So I have some packages here which I want to quickly unbox with you guys. I'll just quickly do that before I head out to the thrift store. I'm enjoying my smoothie. This is actually the first thing I'm taking today. This is almond milk, Quaker oats, strawberry, and banana. But I made it too thick. So the first one is from Zara, and then this one is from I think a brand sent me this. So let me first of all start with this Zara one. I don't know why. Do you guys look at? Let me show you guys. See, this is how this package came. Look at. This is so ghetto. Oh my god. Look at. Hey, no. This is so annoying. Okay, I don't need scissors. They've already opened it for me. Let me start here. I got Zara Ebony Wood. I love Zara perfumes. I love their perfumes so much. So I want to try this one. I've tried a couple of ones before. Honestly, it smells so good. This is for Jason and Jeremy. I actually got them the same design this time around. This is for Jason, this is for Jeremy. Actually, I was even thinking this is gonna be thick on the website, or maybe I didn't read the details very well, but yeah, this is just for Jason and Jeremy. Then I got this one for myself. This dress is so beautiful. Their website didn't do justice to this outfit. Honestly, it's so beautiful. What? This is a good buy. A good buy. Let me be checking my phone, because if anything is missing, Sarah will hear from me. I almost screamed. I almost screamed if I didn't see this sneakers. So I got another perfume. This one is 2-in-1. This is $40. So I got tuberose. Is it tuberose or tuberose and pink flame? It was 2-in-1 on their website. The major thing that took me to Zara website before I started buying all these things, these other things, is this sneakers. This one, it is so beautiful. I got it in size 40, which is my perfect size. I have something like this in Puma with mixed of colors, but I really love this one because that one, the sole, I think the sole is just plain white or white and pink, but this one has this spots on it with mixed of colors that I love so much. Trying to see if this can focus. Can you guys see the details? It's so beautiful. Let's go on to this one. Okay, this is from Vivaya. Vivaya is a shoe company. They make eco-friendly footwears, very classy. You guys need to visit their website. They make quality, beautiful, classy, eco-friendly footwears. Let me open it. What? Some websites, they need to improve on the kind of pictures they put on their website. This is so beautiful. Oh my god, it is so beautiful and it's so my style. Can you guys see? I love this. I love this. And this design is so unique. You focus, please. Guys, just take a look at that detailing. Take a look at that detailing. This shoe is so beautiful, guys. I'm going to leave all their details in the description box. They're also on Instagram. This is also weather appropriate. I can rock it for winter and also for summer. I'm definitely going to take a picture and upload on Instagram. Please, if you're not following me on Instagram, please, let's be friends on Instagram. Please go ahead and follow me on Instagram so that you will also see how I will style this shoe over there. Okay guys, enough of it. I'm so happy with this shoe. It's so gorgeous, honestly. So beautiful. Thank you, Vivaya. I'm definitely going to take a very beautiful picture with this, and you guys will see it on my Instagram. Okay, all right. Okay guys, so we're done with the hauls, the unboxing. I want to quickly rush to the thrift store right now and take those clothes to the donation center, and then maybe see if I can buy some things from the thrift store. I want to see if I can buy a vase, what else, vase, I don't know, when we get there we'll see. I was just thanking God that it's not snowing, and boom, they're coming down small. They are warming up. Let me quickly go before it gets me outside.
Know when your body feels so tired to get out of bed. You put your heart on a letter to chase it away. Got sad and it's all because of you. Hey, what's gonna give you more time forever? Know what they say, only time will tell. You know what they say, it never really can. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I can't help myself, I wonder if you still feel the way I feel. Are you sleeping with someone new? Someone new, someone. Talking about my bed as like it ever mattered. You threw it away, and now you're looking back, wishing that we got buried. Know what they say, only time will tell. You know what they say, did I ever really care? I don't think I did. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I can't help myself, I wonder if you still feel the way I feel when somebody calls you back.
Hey guys, so I was editing this vlog and I realized there is no outro. I didn't do any outro, so I'm here to officially do an outro and say thank you for watching. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye guys.